So how much do you guys know about blow molding?
Oh God, not this again.
Well, there are three types. There's extrusion blow molding, injection blow molding, and multi-layer blow molding.
We all know your favorite's injection blow molding.
So you start with an injection molded preform, which is heated and blown into the shape of a mold by compressed air. The preform is a short tube-shaped plastic part, usually made of PET, or polyethylene tetraflate. Light in an oven is used to heat the preform before it is inserted into the two halves of the mold, where a pin stretches the preform to the length of the mold and blows in the compressed air.
Enough!
Are you talking about blow molding? Blow molding is a bunch of baloney.
But blow molding is used to create tons of hollow, thin-walled thermoplastic bottles of various sizes and complex geometries.
Well, here we go again.
It's even low cost. In large quantities, of course.
We've heard this before, Bender.
So
we've got it.
then I've done my job.
Sincerely yours.
Fan Club.